Survival kits are essential tools designed to help you endure and navigate challenging situations, from natural disasters to outdoor emergencies. Equipped with vital items like first aid supplies, food rations, tools, and signaling devices, these kits are crafted to provide immediate assistance and increase your chances of survival. A well-prepared kit can make all the difference in a crisis. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Surviveware. The Responder 72-Hour Emergency Preparedness Backpack is a comprehensive and highly organized solution designed for those who seek readiness and security during emergencies. Engineered to support survival in critical situations, this backpack is equipped with a wide array of essential tools and supplies to sustain an individual for up to 72 hours. Constructed from durable, water-resistant 600D polyester, the backpack features a rugged design that can withstand harsh conditions while keeping its contents safe and dry. Inside, the Responder is meticulously organized with color-coded, modular pouches that allow for quick access to a variety of survival gear, including first aid supplies, water purification tablets, emergency food rations, and essential tools for shelter and navigation. The pack includes a comprehensive first aid kit with advanced medical supplies to address a range of injuries and medical situations, ensuring users are prepared for potential health emergencies. The ergonomic design incorporates padded, adjustable shoulder straps and a padded back panel, providing comfort and stability even when carrying a fully loaded pack. Additionally, the Responder features multiple compartments and external MOLLE webbing, allowing for customization and the attachment of extra gear or accessories. With its combination of practical organization, durability, and comprehensive emergency supplies, the Surviveware Responder 72-Hour Emergency Preparedness Backpack offers peace of mind and preparedness for those seeking to stay safe and well-equipped in any emergency situation. Number 4. RediBags 72 Emergency Survival Kit is a meticulously designed, all-inclusive package that ensures preparedness and safety in the event of emergencies. This comprehensive kit is tailored to provide essential supplies and tools to sustain an individual for up to 72 hours, making it ideal for a wide range of unforeseen situations. Housed in a rugged, water-resistant backpack, the kit includes a variety of crucial items, such as non-perishable food and water pouches, a first aid kit equipped with medical supplies to handle common injuries and health issues, and a multi-tool for various tasks. The RediBags kit also features a flashlight with extra batteries, a thermal blanket for warmth, and a fire starter for creating heat and cooking food. To enhance survivability, the kit includes a whistle for signaling and a portable radio to stay updated with emergency broadcasts. Designed for ease of use and accessibility, the backpack is ergonomically designed with padded shoulder straps and multiple compartments to keep items organized and within easy reach. The contents are thoughtfully packed to ensure maximum utility, including hygiene items like a hand sanitizer and wet wipes to maintain cleanliness. With its combination of practical survival gear, thoughtful organization, and durable construction, the RediBags 72 Emergency Survival Kit offers reliable preparedness for any emergency, giving users the confidence and resources they need to navigate unexpected situations with greater security and peace of mind. Number 3. S.O.L Hybrid 3 is a high-performance survival shelter designed to provide exceptional protection and versatility in a compact, user-friendly package. Weighing just 2 pounds and compact enough to fit into a backpack, the Hybrid 3 is engineered for hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts who require a reliable and lightweight shelter in challenging conditions. Its innovative design features a unique combination of materials, including a durable, water-resistant nylon shell and a reflective mylar interior, which not only provides excellent insulation and heat retention, but also enhances visibility in low-light situations. The tent's spacious interior accommodates up to 3 people comfortably, making it ideal for small groups or families. The Hybrid 3 includes a simple, quick setup system with color-coded webbing and easy-to-use stakes, allowing for rapid assembly and disassembly even in adverse weather. Additionally, the tent's mesh ventilation windows ensure optimal airflow, reducing condensation and maintaining a comfortable climate inside. The inclusion of a reinforced, waterproof floor and a full rain fleet offers reliable protection from rain and wind, ensuring that occupants stay dry and secure. For added convenience, the Hybrid 3 features integrated storage pockets for organizing gear and personal items. With its blend of lightweight construction, durable materials, and thoughtful design, the S.O.L Hybrid 3 provides a dependable and versatile shelter solution for a wide range of outdoor adventures, offering peace of mind and comfort in unpredictable environments. Number 2. Emergency Case. Essential Family 4-Person Case is a meticulously curated emergency preparedness solution designed to ensure the safety and well-being of a family of 4 during unforeseen crises. Packaged in a durable, compact case, this all-in-one kit provides essential supplies and tools needed for survival over an extended period. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive array of items including non-perishable food and water designed to sustain a family for up to 72 hours. The case includes a first aid kit stocked with medical supplies to handle a range of injuries and health concerns, along with hygiene products such as hand sanitizer and wet wipes to maintain cleanliness. For emergency communication and navigation, the kit features a flashlight with extra batteries, a multi-tool, and a whistle for signaling. The inclusion of thermal blankets and a portable radio ensures warmth and the ability to stay informed with emergency broadcasts. The emergency case also contains essential personal items such as a multi-purpose knife, a fire starter for cooking and warmth, and a compact, easy-to-use stove. Each component is thoughtfully organized within the case, allowing for quick access and efficient use during emergencies. With its robust construction and well-thought-out assortment of supplies, the Essential Family 4-Person Case offers peace of mind and preparedness, ensuring that families are equipped to handle a variety of emergency situations with confidence and security. Number 1. S.O.L Survive Outdoors Longer S.O.L Traverse Tin Survival Kit is an exceptionally compact and versatile survival solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable gear in a compact format. Housed in a durable, weather-resistant tin case, this kit provides a range of essential tools and supplies for survival in challenging conditions. Inside the tin, users will find a comprehensive selection of items, including a high-quality fire starter for igniting fires in adverse weather, a compact multi-tool for various tasks, and a signal mirror to aid in rescue efforts. The kit also includes a whistle for signaling, a lightweight emergency blanket for insulation and warmth, and a fishing kit complete with line and hooks for sourcing food. The Traverse Tin Survival Kit is designed to be easily carried in a pocket or backpack, making it an ideal choice for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. Despite its small size, the kit offers critical tools that can enhance survival chances in unexpected situations, providing essential capabilities without adding significant weight or bulk. Each item is thoughtfully selected to maximize utility and effectiveness, ensuring that users have the necessary resources to address a variety of survival scenarios. With its combination of practical tools, compact design, and durable construction, the S.O.L Traverse Tin Survival Kit stands out as a reliable and convenient option for those seeking to stay prepared and secure during their outdoor adventures or in emergency situations.